Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with in-code of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. Feel free to ask question or give suggestion in the comment section.